Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akansha, and in today's session we will explore performance evaluation under Clause 9 in a simple and practical way. Many organizations implement systems and processes but often forget to check whether they are actually working. Clause 9 answers this critical question. Is the system delivering the results we planned? It ensures decisions are based on real data and evidence, making the system effective, compliant, and continuously improving. Now, monitoring and measuring performance. Performance evaluation helps organizations understand what works well and what needs improvement. It focuses on monitoring and measuring key processes, objectives, incidents, and compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Organizations must decide what to monitor, how to measure it, and who is responsible. Accurate and reliable data is essential because decisions rely on this information. Data alone is not enough. It must be analyzed to identify trends, gaps, and recurring issues, turning raw numbers into actionable insights. Internal audit and corrective actions. Internal audits are a core part of Clause 9. They provide an independent check to ensure processes are implemented correctly and are effective. Audits are not about blaming anyone, but about identifying system gaps. Proper planning, skilled auditors, and timely corrective actions are essential for success. When problems are found, organizations must identify the root cause, implement solutions, and ensure the issues does not recur. This structured approach strengthens the system and drives continuous improvement. Now, management review and leadership involvement. Management review ensures top management evaluates overall system performance. Leadership reviews audit results, performance trends, compliance status, incidents, and improvement opportunities. The goal is to make informed strategic decisions, allocate resources effectively, and align the system with organizational objectives. Documented records such as audit reports, management review minutes, and corrective action logs provide transparency and accountability while supporting continuous improvement. Clause 9. The control center of your system. Clause 9 is the control center of any management system. It enables organizations to monitor performance, identify gaps, take corrective actions, and continuously improve. Without performance evaluation, systems operate blindly. With it, organizations gain clarity, confidence, and control, ensuring processes remain effective, compliant, and capable of meeting future challenges. Thank you for watching this session on Performance Evaluation Clause 9. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to TNV Academy, and share it with your colleagues. Let us know in the comments which clause or ISO standard you want us to cover next. Remember, continuous improvement starts with evaluation, so keep learning and stay ahead.